Hello students, we are on exercise 8.1. Question number 5 is, if Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So in this question हमें ये पूछा गया है कि beginning में कितने रुपीस थे उसके पास. She spent 75% of his money. So let करते हैं कि in the beginning she have x rupees and she spent 75%. हमें पता है always जो percentage होती है that is up to 100. If she spent 75%, that means left money is only 25% of total. उसको निकालेंगे कैसे? Subtract the 100 minus 75, you will get the 25%. That means remaining money is 25% of total. We consider that x is the total money. She spent 75%, remaining is 25%. That means 25% of x is equal to 600 because she have 600 rupees after spending money. To calculate 25% of x, we will find x into 25 upon 100. Solve it. 100 is in dividation, multiply में जाएगा. 25 is in multiplication, dividation में जाएगा. 25 से divide करेंगे. 25 for the 100. 600 into 4, that is 2400. So she have 2400 in beginning. Question number 6 is, if 60% people in the city likes cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. So first of all, we will find how many percent are there who likes other game. So firstly, people likes the crickets are 60%, people like football are 30%. So remaining percentage are always from out of 100. अब हमें 60% और 30% गिवन है, तो बाकी कितने बचे हमारे पास, उसको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 100 में से इन दोनों का सम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 60 प्लस 30, 60 प्लस 30 इज 90. 90 अगर 100 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 10%. सो 10% पीपल्स आर देयर हु लाइक अदर गेम. नाउ फर्दर पार्ट, देयर आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स 50 लाख, यानी टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स आर 50 लाख. Number of people who like cricket, it's 60%. 60% of 50 lakh, और 50 lakh के 60% कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 50 lakh into 60 upon 100. कैलकुलेशन बताया था कि जब भी परसेंटेज निकालना हो को उस नंबर को जितना परसेंट है उससे मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए और 100 से डिवाइड कीजिए. सॉल्व दिस. 20 to 20 कैंसिल. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 50,000 with 60, it will be 30 lakh. Similarly, number of people like football, 50 lakh into 30, because 30% likes the football, so into 30 upon 100. Again 20 to 20 cancel. If we multiply 50,000 with 30, it will be 15 lakh. So 15 lakh people like the football, 30 lakh likes the cricket. Now you can find the 10% of 50 lakh also to find other games, or we can solve this way also. Cricket जो पसंद कर रहे हैं, लाइक कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स हु लाइक क्रिकेट आर 30 लाख, फुटबॉल आर 15 लाख, द टोटल नंबर इज 45 लाख. इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 50 लाख माइनस 30 लाख माइनस 15 लाख, वी विल गेट द रिजल्ट एज number of people who like other games. So this way we will find the exact number of people who like other games. Now next part we have increasing or decreasing in percentage, or we can say discounts. This next topic is finding increase or decrease percent. To find the increase or decrease percent means if there is a discount or there is some other taxes included in the price, then it is called the increase or decrease in the value. So जब भी हमें increase और decrease करना है, like discount है तो decrease करना पड़ेगा, but if there is a tax or anything else, then we will increase the percentage. अब increase और decrease निकाले कैसे? एक तो मेथड ये है कि टोटल 100% होता है, उसमें इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज निकालने के लिए उसमें जो भी परसेंटेज है वो ऐड करके और फिर उसको सॉल्व किया जा सकता है। बट अनदर मेथड इज फाइंड, लाइक x में 5% इंक्रीज है, तो 5% इंक्रीज कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, x का 5% कैलकुलेट करेंगे पहले, दैट इज x अपॉन 20, देन नाउ टोटल और न्यू, x हमारे पास टोटल था, उसमें इंक्रीज x बाई 20 है, एड अप, you will get the result as 21x. So by this way, if there is a decrease, then we will subtract it. If there is increase, we will add the first money or given money. So given rupees कह सकते हैं, given कोई भी वैल्यू है उसके अंदर इंक्रीज है तो ऐड कर देंगे, और डिक्रीज है देन we will subtract it. So this way we can find the increase or decrease. Discount is also in decreasing part. Discount means जो भी हमारे पास मनी दे रखी है, जो printed rate है उसमें डिस्काउंट है, that means we will subtract that percent. Calculate the percentage and then subtract it, you will get the answer. So in this way we will start our question exercise number 8.2, question number 1. Exercise 8.2, question number 1 is, a man got 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find his original salary. To find the original salary, let the original salary is x rupees, 10% increase, that means the 10% of x into 10 upon 100, solve it, you will get the x upon 10. New salary is, original salary is x, 10% increase is x by 10, that means new salary will be x plus x by 10, that is 11x by 10. Now it's given that 11x by 10 is equal to 5,54,000. So to calculate the x, 10 is in dividation, multiply में, 11 is multiplication, dividation में, solve it. You will divide it by 11, 14,000 into 10, 1,40,000. That means the original salary of person or man is 1,40,000. Question number 2 is, on Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? To calculate the decrease, firstly, the people went to the zoo on Sunday is 845, on Monday is 169. So the difference is 845 minus 169, that is 676. Now percentage decrease. Percentage decrease means difference upon original into 100. Difference is 676 upon original is 845 into 100. Calculate it, you will get the answer as 80%. So there are 80% decrease in on Monday visiting zoo. This is our question number 2 in exercise 8.2. Similarly, we will complete this exercise. So try to solve the examples of exercise 8.1, and with that examples of exercise 8.2 also. Try to solve them. If you have doubt, then you can write in comment box also, and further we will complete tomorrow. Thank you.